Have you ever woken up feeling groggy and unfocused despite getting a full night's sleep? If so, you're not alone. Sleep is an essential part of our lives, yet many of us struggle to get the rest we need. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating science of sleep and provide practical tips for improving your sleep quality. Whether you're a busy student, an athlete, or just someone who wants to feel more rested and alert, this video is for you. Welcome to You Learn Today. The physiology of sleep. The physiological process of sleep is complex and involves many internal systems. Rapid eye movement or REM sleep and non-rapid eye movement or NREM sleep are the two basic categories of sleep. Each stage of sleep has its own distinct physiological characteristics and functions. Let's take a closer look into the NREM phase. During non-REM sleep, the body relaxes and the heart rate, breathing, and body temperature all decrease. There are 3 stages, each characterized by a different level of brain activity and physiological changes. During the first stage, the body transitions from wakefulness to sleep. Alpha and theta waves are produced by the brain and muscular activity decreases. This normally lasts around 5 to 10 minutes till we enter the next stage. In stage 2, the body temperature begins to decrease and the heart rate drops lower. At the same time, our brain begins to produce sleep signals. These particular brainwave patterns help in putting the brain into rest mode and assisting with sleep. After around 20 minutes in this stage, we finally enter the last stage, also known as deep or slow wave sleep, which is the deepest stage of non-REM sleep. Our muscles are now completely relaxed and the brain is producing delta waves. But when do we dream, you might wonder? It's now time for REM sleep. Rapid eye movements, heightened brain activity, and muscle paralysis are hallmarks of REM sleep. We have vivid dreams and our brains process emotional data. Moreover, memory consolidation and learning are impacted by REM sleep. It begins approximately 90 minutes after falling asleep. Each night, the body goes through each of these stages 4 to 6 times. Interesting to know is that during stage 3 and REM, your cells repair and rebuild, and hormones are secreted to promote bone and muscle growth. Your body also uses deep sleep to strengthen your immunity so you can fight off illness and infection. The importance of sleep. It is impossible to overstate the value of sleep. Our physical, mental, and overall well-being depend on getting enough sleep. In actuality, it is just as crucial as physical activity and a balanced diet. As we talked about in the REM phase, memory consolidation is one of sleep's primary focuses. The brain processes and consolidates memories as you sleep, making it simpler for you to recall new knowledge and abilities. For students and anyone learning a new skill or subject, this is extremely crucial. The opposite is also true. Those who don't receive enough sleep may suffer from the effects of sleep deprivation, with its most typical symptom being memory loss. In addition, anxiety, despair, and other mood disorders can also result from sleep deprivation. This is due to the role that sleep plays in controlling the synthesis of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin that influence mood. If you catch the flu, it's commonly said that you should sleep enough because sleep is essential for the proper functioning of your immune system. When you sleep, your body produces cytokines, a type of protein that helps your body fight off infection, inflammation, and stress. Without enough sleep, your immune system may not function at its best, making it harder for your body to fight off the flu or other illnesses. If we take a look at athletic performance, studies have shown that athletes who get enough sleep have better reaction times, coordination, and endurance compared to those who are sleep deprived. Sleep also helps with muscle recovery and growth, making it essential for anyone looking to build muscle or improve their physical fitness. Despite the numerous benefits of sleep, many people still don't get enough of it. Chronic sleep deprivation can have serious consequences for our health and well-being. Fortunately, there are several strategies that can help improve sleep habits and promote better sleep quality. Tips for better sleep. The first piece of advice we'd want to provide has probably been given hundreds of times, but it's still the greatest for permanently enhancing the consistency and quality of your sleep. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, including on weekends, helps regulate the body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. When life inevitably gets in the way, it might be challenging, but it has been shown to be the best thing you can do for your internal clock. If you are a person who finds it difficult to relax your mind and fall asleep, there are several techniques you can try to calm your body and mind. One effective strategy is to practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga before bedtime. These methods can help you relax and get rid of racing thoughts as well as stress and worry. This can also be prevented with removing electronic devices at least 30 minutes before going to sleep. Our brain is flooded with millions of stimuli all day long. It needs time to calm down and process all this information. Try to fill these 30 minutes before going to bed with reading a book or with another relaxing activity that does not involve electronics. To determine the ideal time to sleep, we can recommend the website sleepcalculator.com. The link will be in the video description. They use the sleep stage cycle we explained earlier to calculate and aim to wake you up while you're in a light sleep cycle, where it is much simpler to wake up and you don't feel like you're being dragged out of your deep slumber. We hope you found these tips for better sleep to be helpful. Do you have any other tips that have worked for you? We would love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content.